Mm-hmm.
My family, my country, and those are the three really things that I care a great deal about.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, the faith, the belief, God, and my family, uh, trying to be decent, and my country. Those, I guess, are the main things. I would suspect those are probably what most people would feel. And that's sentimentalism to some extent, and I'm not, uh, you can stop